Hello guys, today Ishanya with us and she has completed the Python full stack course at PR Software. So let's ask her experience in PR Software. So first of all, Ishanya, how did you get to know about the PR Softwares?
Hi everyone, I got to know about PR software through Google and then I came for a demo class. I took one demo class, I liked it, so I joined and I also spoke to admin team. They told all what we will cover and it was detailed. So yes.
Okay, so Ishanya, as you search on the Google, might be you have visited multiple institute. So why you have chosen only PR Software?
Actually, the thing was when I spoke to admin team, they gave all the topics which will be covered, and they gave all the materials as well. And I found that it was relatable to real life projects. We can build real life projects as well as the other institutes. They were not covering the project part. That was all the theoretical only. And here I got to know that there was like practical knowledge, and we can work on that. So that was one of the main
Okay,
reasons.
so how many projects you design and now are you confident to create your own projects?
So far, actually, I built like three projects, and those were like worked and explained by Sir himself. And currently, I'm working on two more projects, and those are like related to one is related to sales, and one was related to the previous job which I was working. So I used the that knowledge with this concepts and all. So yes, I'm still working, and yes, I would say I have learned. I have gained a lot of confidence because previously I did not had any knowledge about Python or any languages in this computer languages. But now I have confidence that I can build the project and I can gain a good job as well.
So as you know that many institute will commit that they will teach the project. So many people are searching for live projects for mini and major project for their colleges also. So is this institute recommend for them who are looking mini project, major project or live project training? So will you suggest this institute and why?
I would definitely suggest that because in college I would say that yes, people would learn the how to build a project and all. But while working here, there are so many people you can interact, and sir is there to guide as well. And he is giving the real life examples as he is showing the work he has done and all the experiences, and he guided us through it. So that was while you were in college, you will learn all this, but individual support will not be there. So I would say that if someone is really interested to build a live major or minor project, they should definitely join.
Okay, and final question is how is our infrastructure and whatever it is shown in the Google exactly same or not? You can tell many viewer will have how is the lab session or also about the lab infrastructure and all if you want to say something.
Yeah, actually, the infrastructure is good. Actually, the lab is well equipped, if you see, and a lot of people come daily to practice, and there is separate system for everyone if they want to come and do that. So I will say that yes, infrastructure is very good, and if you really want to know about peer software, come and join and see.
So thank you, Ishan, and all the best for your future.
Sure.
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
sir.